Issuing an emergency order requiring everyone to mask up in schools.
The move follows heated debates at school board meetings, and now it's sparking relief for a lot of worried parents. But others are protesting. Fox 2's Robin Murdoch is live in Pontiac with the latest. Good morning, Robin.
Good morning, Amy and Ryan. Yeah, we're standing outside the Oakland County Health Department right now, where several hundred people are out here protesting that mask mandate for K through 12 schools. They started arriving right around 7:30 this morning. The crowd, it kept getting bigger and bigger, and their chants louder and louder.
My child, my choice.
I had to do something, and this was at least some tangible way for me to be able to fight for my kids.
Stop trying to mask our children!
A protest over protection happening outside the Oakland County Health Department in Pontiac on Wednesday morning. An emergency order mandating masks in the classroom causing a different kind of commotion today.
Our orientation last week, there were no masks anywhere. No talk of masks, nothing. It was, very crickets on that issue, and all of a sudden they have to go back. So I'm very upset.
The order issued on Tuesday evening applies to all students and staff in K through 12 schools, including public, private, and charter schools. That adds up to more than 200,000 kids in Oakland County who will now have to mask up when classes start up.
This really is a health issue. We know how to run schools. We know how to educate students. We know how to keep students safe. But this was a health issue, and who better to make that call than the health division?
Excuse me, this is my time now.
The topic has turned Board of Education meetings all over Metro Detroit into arguing matches as parents and school leaders debate mask policies and what is best for kids. The decision in Oakland County means there is no longer a question, here at least.
A lot of our kids struggled last year. They had to do at-home learning, the remote learning. We learned that that's very difficult on students, and to the extent that we can keep them in the classrooms, it's better for everybody.
While there is a lot of support for face coverings due to climbing COVID cases among children and those not eligible to be vaccinated yet, there are also plenty of people against the mask, and they are making their position known in Pontiac today.
It's really sickening to have other people in the government decide what's right for us and our family.
And you are looking at a live look from Sky Fox at the massive protest happening here outside the Oakland County Health Department. Hundreds and hundreds of protesters are currently out here, obviously very upset over this new mask mandate for K through 12 schools. I am told this mask mandate will remain in effect until the transmission level here in Oakland County is reduced to moderate for at least 14 days. Right now, it's considered substantial. We are live in Pontiac. Robin Murdoch, Fox 2 News.
And Robin, at this point, how many districts do have mask mandates?
Well, I can tell you that Genesee as well as Kent counties, they both have similar mandates in place as to what is going on in Oakland County right now. Currently, though, in the districts all across the state, about 152 school districts have some sort of mask mandate in place right now. Back to you, Amy.
All right, thank you very much. Robin Murdoch out in Pontiac. Appreciate you.